Setting up a new social media workflow is usually the part that everyone wants to skip so they can jump straight to their posting. And that's exactly why I'm here to help you. Hi guys, I am Fatima and welcome to SocialBu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your SocialBu account step by step. So you can choose the right plan and get started without any confusion. So let's get started. So head over to our website and here click on sign up. Now we're gonna create a new account. If you already have one, you can simply log in. Let's write my name and my email address. Now let's choose the password. Click on register and now you will receive an email with the verification to log in. Now we will log in with our credentials, our email address and the password. Simply click login. And here you can see it says check your inbox, welcome to SocialBu. Let's open our Gmail and here you can see I have received this mail. Just click on verify now and here we are. Now let's give our little bit data. Just type the company name and what kind of work that we do. Click on continue. Just simply fill out this data. Just choose your time zone and here we are at the pricing plan. Let's skip for now, but don't worry, stay with me. I'll explain all of this, the features in this video. Now here you can connect your accounts. For now, let's skip it because I have another video on this, a detailed one how to connect your account, schedule your first post. For now, let's go over to the billing. We're gonna purchase the SocialBu premium version here. And before we get started, I'll give you a quick overview of the all pricing plan so you know what works best for you. So let's visit our website first. And here we are on this pricing page. So let's take a look at the standard plan. This plan is ideal if you're a solo creator, freelancer, or a small business just getting started with social media scheduling. You can connect up to 12 social accounts, schedule 800 posts per month, and manage 2 teams, all while saving up to 5 hours a week. It's like a great choice if you want reliable scheduling and performance insights without overcomplicating things. Now let's move to the super plan. And this is where things really takes off. This is designed for growing brands and marketers. This plan lets you connect up to 30 social accounts, schedule unlimited posts, you can collaborate with 6 teams. You will also get advanced performance analytics and phone support, making it ideal if you are managing multiple clients or running social media at scale. If you want to run social media on autopilot, the super plan is the most popular choice. Now let's move to the Supreme plan. Finally, we have the Supreme plan built for agencies and large teams that need maximum flexibility. With support for 150 social accounts, unlimited posting, and up to 25 teams, this plan is all about scaling without limits. You also get priority support and in-depth analytics, so nothing slows you down as your operation grows. Now we also have a free plan. Not ready to choose a paid plan yet? No problem. With the free plan, you can explore SocialBu, get familiar with the dashboard, and see how it fits into your workflow completely free. And if your needs go beyond our standard plan, we understand. That's why with a custom plan, pricing is tailored specifically to your requirements. Whether you're managing a large team, multiple brands, or a high-volume social account, just contact our sales team and we'll help you build a plan that works exactly for you. Whether you are just getting started or managing social media at scale, there is a SocialBu plan designed to grow with you. All plan comes with a secure payment and you can cancel at any time. You can just take a look at this table for a deeper overview. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing. SocialBu offers 3 plans, Standard, Super, and Supreme, and you can pay monthly or yearly. For example, the standard plan costs $19 per month. But if you switch to the yearly plan, it's $190 per year, which comes to about $16 per month. And if you choose to pay monthly for the whole year, it will be $228. But with a yearly plan, you can pay only $190, which means you save $38 per year. The same goes for the other plans too. If you choose the super plan, The monthly will be $59 and the yearly will be $590, and you will save $118. And that's a big saving, I believe. And if we talk about the Supreme plan, it's $166 per month, means $1,990 per year. I mean, you will save $398. That's a big saving. So the real goal here is not choosing a plan, it's saving time and managing your social media without the daily hassle. So go ahead, pick the plan that works best for you and start managing your social media the smarter way with SocialBu. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's choose our plan. Let's choose the standard, click on get started. Now I will write my card details here, choose your country and click on proceed. Now we have successfully purchased the SocialBu. We have access to the full dashboard and the SocialBu's feature. Now just connect your social media account. SocialBu will ask for permission so it can publish and manage content on your behalf. You can now have a look at the SocialBu dashboard. And that's it. You can watch my other videos at how to use the SocialBu all features to make the most of it. Just comment down if you have any questions, any concern, and then I'll get back to you. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.